Another quick tool review. Yay! This is my Halfords Advanced small socket set, which I've had quite a while, as you can see from its dirty condition and abused and used. This one's currently in the extension bar for doing the drop links, so that's why it's missing. But I try and keep all my tools together generally, keep them in their boxes and together. I know this is looking a little bit ropey, but that's because it's old, and when you use tools a lot you tend to sort of put things all over the place. I just, again, I just really like Halfords Advanced stuff. It's got all the nice sockets up to 13, or is it 14? Up to 14, so it goes down to teeny tiny, which is 3.5mm. So it's all really good for like the really precision jobs, and also certain jobs. Obviously 10 is a common size on cars, and 10 gets used an awful lot, and a lot of the time you can use a small wrench with a 10mm head, depending on how rusty your Land Rover is. And it's got a really useful extension bar. It's also got a universal joint, which can be useful in awkward situations where you've got to get to something. The other useful thing is it's got an adapter so that you can use these sort of stubby sort of hex or screwdriver or Torx bits, and that's just really useful. And you obviously, if you use them with the wrench, you've got a bit more torque because you can twist them, and then you've got basically a screwdriver, and it can also use the sockets, so you either use that or you put on the adapter and use the bits. The other good thing about the handle is it's got a you can put it on an extension bar, or you can, so you could use it as an extension bar, or you can use it with the wrench to give more torque if you've got something that's a bit awkward. So you need to hold on to it. It's just a really useful tool. Used it a lot. As you can see by the condition, the ratchet is really nice. This one has been very well abused, but it's still going, and I've had it a long time, at least 10 years, and it locks and it hasn't broken. So shout out there to, I'm probably doing a really good advert for Halfords, but I do like Halfords tools, and I'm not going to lie about it. There you go.